Picking up where I left off on my last video, I pointed my newly purchased domain to my custom DNS at Webhost Python. This is my direct admin backend to my Webhost Python account. So I'm going to add a new user. The username can be anything. I'm gonna take the domain and basically shorten it and just use that. Put in my email, put in the domain, and submit. From here, it needs a second to load. Creation in progress. I usually just refresh the page and it'll be done. And now I need to log into that user. So I'm going to click here and log in as Noon Wrecker. So first things first, I'm going to add an SSL certificate and just get automatic and click save. Now this little red band will go back and forth while it's loading. And now it's successful. Click right here on dashboard to go back to the main menu here. And I want to install WordPress, so I'm going to scroll down to the bottom here and click on WordPress. Install now. By default, it has this WP here. Definitely always want to remove that. And now I'm going to give the site a name, a description. I'm going to create a username. I never use admin. I'm going to create a password, update this email here, and then hit install. One sec. All right, so successfully installed. I had an issue with it. It wouldn't let me install the latest version, so I had to install an older version, but we'll update it. If I click here, it'll dump me into the back end. And I want to save my login, so I'm going to log out and log right back in. Okay, so now I've saved my password in my browser. I'm going to update WordPress. Okay, WordPress has been updated. I've got a basic theme on here. And my site is live.